Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. This is my second video for the day. And guys, if you are interested to see my technical analysis on Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange regularly, then do not forget to hit the like button. If I get at least 100 likes, it will motivate me to post more and more contents related to Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange. With that, let's start the video. Talking about ADX, I had posted my complete analysis around 10 days ago. If you have missed that video, link is in the description box below. Also, I will post a link on your top right which should appear now. Let's have a quick recap of ADX. I had mentioned previously this is a parabolic move. Market usually does not move in this direction. Market moves in phases. It goes up, it comes back for a correction, then again it goes up, comes back for a correction, and similarly it keeps on moving. This is the impulse phase and this is the correction phase. What we are seeing here is just impulse phase without any correction. This is the first red candle. Yes, this candle is very bearish. This is inverted hammer candle. As I mentioned previously, market took hold around this area, that is around 8,000. So I'm expecting some kind of retracement here or a profit booking, and then market should resume its uptrend. 8,000 is a strong psychological and technical support zone. Yes, in between, market might find some support in the lower time frames. We have to wait and watch where the market reacts. For now, clearly it's in a correction phase. Let me move down to daily to analyze further. This is the daily chart. We saw market got resisted around 9,100, and from here market is retracing. This is the place where market is currently taking hold, that is around 8,380. We have seen two bounces. Market tried to pick up from here but got rejected. Again, it's coming for the second bounce. In order to confirm this as a support zone, market have to cross the previous swing, that is around 8,500. If we can see market crossing and making higher highs from here, we can see some signs of recovery, but this is not yet confirmed. We can only confirm once market crosses this resistance, that is around 8,935. This is the place where market started to drop, and this will potentially act as a resistance now. When market will try to cross this resistance for the first time, definitely you can expect some kind of negative reaction. Whenever market breaks a zone with good volumes, whenever it comes for the first time, you will definitely get a reaction. So first criteria that we want to see is support holding. To confirm this, we want to see a close above 8,500. Next is 9,000, that is a strong resistance for now. Aldar have made some interesting moves. Previously, as I had mentioned, it have broken the support zone, that is 4.00. Support once broken will potentially act as resistance. Once the support was broken, we can see this inverted hammer candle which touched the resistance that was previously a support, and then market was just hovering around the resistance. A typical entry would be once you see a candle close above this candle, that is this inverted hammer candle. Also at the same time, we can see market was following this trend line. It respected once and twice. It means this is acting now as a resistance. Right into the resistance, we saw a dodgy candle, meaning indecisiveness. So if you have already bought Aldar, where is your next target? Expect some kind of negative reaction around this level, that is 4.20. As of now, it's at 4.17. This is a swing for the market. Market reacted negatively. It touched a trend line and then it came down, making it another lower low. So your first target should be this, then your next target is around 4.28, and then your final target should be 4.37. In case if you have missed the entry, do not worry, market will react negatively here most likely and then come back for a retracement. Here is the place where market took support. It tried to bounce and clear the resistance but got rejected. So you can expect some kind of positive reaction right into this zone. Wait for a bullish chart pattern or a bullish candle and then enter the trade. You will expect market to see A, B, C pattern, that is A, B and then C. So you can obviously target the previous swings if you are a swing trader. First, Abu Dhabi Bank. No, my recommendation for this stock is not to buy. This is just an update if you have missed my previous video. We can see a bearish chart pattern. This is a head and shoulder pattern. This is typically a bearish chart pattern. Immediate support for now is 18.44. Once it breaks this neckline, you can expect it to go down further and further. So for now, it's in a no trading zone. International Holding Company. It's also in a no trading zone for me. We are seeing it's trading within this tight range. Also, we are seeing so many rejections at the same time. I'm expecting it to break the support very soon. I'm having a bearish bias on IHC. Why is that? If you have not seen my previous analysis, I highly recommend you to watch that one so that you can understand why I'm saying this stock is looking bearish to me. Link is in the description box below. So let's wait for a breakout and then trade accordingly. If it breaks the support, stay away. If it breaks the resistance, immediately buy. But we want to see a candle close above the resistance. We can see previously it made fake breakouts. So we want to stay away from this. We want to see a proper closing so that we can take the trade. Yahset, this stock is looking pretty interesting. Support zone was around 2.70. Right into the support zone we are seeing few bounces and market is respecting this level. From here we are seeing market try to cross up, came back for a correction, and now we can see some bullish candles here. We can also call this as a tweezer bottoms. Once you see a close above 2.75, this can be a good buy. Your next target is around 2.81 and then the previous swing that is around 2.90. Also we can see it is starting to maintain and respect this trend line. It means it's trying to gather some momentum. We are seeing some shift in the direction. Previously market was under pressure, it was in a correction phase. No, trend is still to the upside. You can call this as a correction phase and now it's trying to resume its uptrend again. Rack Ceramics, this stock is looking very interesting to me. We can see a pole and a flag pattern. This is the pole and this was the flag pattern. This is the lower range. It broke out here. After the breakout we can see a retest as well. Retest was successful, but as of now it's within this range. Guys, you cannot just buy or sell a stock when the market starts. You have to have a trade plan and then a proper execution. As of now we can see it's just moving flat right here. This is the resistance that is around 2.89. So stalk this stock very closely. Once it goes about 2.89, immediately buy this one. Your first resistance is a psychological and technical resistance that is around 3.00, and then if you are a swing trader you can target the previous swing high that is around 3.05. So yes, Rack Ceramics should be in your watch list. Abu Dhabi National Insurance Company, also another interesting stock that I'm stocking. We can see a typical bullish chart pattern here, a breakout of the resistance and then it's making higher highs and higher lows. This is a typical bullish setup. Why is that? We can see previously market was trying to cross the resistance. This is the resistance. It dropped down and from here again it tried for the second time. This time also it was not successful. We saw a red candle. Now this red candle and this red candle, can you see the difference? Here there was plenty of selling pressure. Here there is very little selling pressure. Also it's maintaining near the resistance, meaning it's trying to get ready for a breakout. This is the reason again and again, as I keep saying, you have to stock a stock. S-T-A-L-K. Stocking means you're watching something very closely of your interest. So if you are stocking this stock properly, your entry should be immediately once it crossed the resistance of 6.80. As of now we can see a solid green candle indicating resistance is taken out. This candle indicates there are good chances it may come back to retest the previous resistance that will now potentially act as a support. So people who have missed this move will try to gather their long positions and it may resume its uptrend from here, crossing the previous resistance, making a new high. You can also see it's following this trend line. Another tip that I would like to give, you cannot stock the whole market. You have to select your stocks. You have to go through the selection process. You need to identify the candidates that are about to break out or they will give a good return. This whole thing is taught in my course. If you are interested to join my technical analysis course, send me a DM or WhatsApp. Link is in the description box below. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. This is a stock that I had recommended last time. Also, still it's looking good. We can see a nice bullish price action here. Right from the support zone, market is moving up. This was the swing high. It crossed the swing high. When I saw this candle, I had recommended, and from here we saw two inside candles, meaning these two candles are within the range of previous candle. This is the mother candle and these two candles are the baby candles. Once you see a breakout of this range, immediately you have to buy. As of now, market is retesting the previous resistance. Potentially as of now, it's acting as a support. So I'm expecting another leg high and try to retest the previous swing, that is 8.95. So if you have already bought ADC after the breakout, this should be your final TP. That's it guys, I hope you like my analysis and it's helping you out. Do not forget to hit the like. Thanks for watching, keep stocking.